Mastering calendars, scheduling appointments and events. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to explore an incredibly important aspect of our everyday life, using calendars for planning. More specifically, we'll be focusing on scheduling appointments and events. This skill not only helps us keep track of our daily commitments, but also improves our English fluency. So, let's get started. When scheduling appointments or events, we use certain time expressions. These expressions help us indicate when something will happen. Today, tomorrow, next week, last month, and in 2 days are all examples of time expressions. We use these expressions to specify when we're available or when we want to schedule something. For example, I am free next Tuesday at 3 p.m. Now, let's dive into how to make appointments. The key here is to use polite language and clear time expressions. You might say, "Could we meet next week?" Or, "Is Tuesday at 10 a.m. suitable for you?" Also, remember to confirm the appointment. So, "We are meeting on Monday at 5 p.m. Is that correct? Scheduling events is a bit different. Events often involve more people and require more planning. When discussing an event, we need to mention the date, time, and location. You might say, "The meeting is scheduled for next Wednesday at 2 p.m. in the conference room." Or, "Our team building event will be on June 25th at the park." Sometimes, plans change. Knowing how to reschedule or cancel an appointment or event is equally important. To reschedule, you could say, "I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but could we move our meeting to the following day?" To cancel, due to unforeseen circumstances, "I must cancel our appointment for tomorrow. I apologize for any inconvenience." So, there you have it. Now you have the tools to successfully schedule appointments and events in English. Remember to use clear time expressions, and always confirm the details to avoid any confusion. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.